Right, I managed to get the rod, the bamboo out, and the glue stayed in. Not on the other one. It partly came off the pad here. So I was able to, with some scissors, clean out the inside and just blob in and fill that up again and make sure it's upright on the pad. And that one's I think let me check, it's gone reasonably solid enough to put it down, I think. There we go. This one, you can see as I pulled it to the left, it ripped up that part, so I just took it completely off, then cleaned out the middle, and I'm going to do that one. I think I should be back on track. And of course, this is completely inflexible, so you have to make sure that the rotation is correct with this go. Very, very tricky with this diagram. This is a complex part here, so occasionally I'm having to go back upstairs and have a look on the laptop.